Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Miss Ruxana Yasmin from Fizai Inter College, Malir Kent. Today we will discuss second lesson of unit number 4, number system. In this lesson we will discuss about the number conversions of two other systems. Starting with the holy name of Allah. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. Our Lord, we have wronged ourselves, and if you do not forgive us and have mercy upon us, we will surely be among the losers. Ameen. Today, the talk of the day is our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Dear students, it is our habit, it is in human nature that we lose hope very quickly. हम बहुत जल्दी हिम्मत हार जाते हैं. And when we lose hope and then we give up, हम कहते हैं अब ये हो ही नहीं सकता. So be hopeful and never ever give up. In a previous day we were discussing about the importance of hard work and the consistency in your efforts. So if you want to become successful in your life, you should not give up, you should work hard, and then you should try again and again. Being students, it is very important that if you are unable to understand anything, you should read it, you should write it again and again, and then definitely you will be able to understand your concepts. So don't lose hope, don't give up, be consistent in your efforts. Now, before starting our new lesson, we must recall the concepts which we learned in our previous class. My question is that how will you define number system? We learned that a number system defines a set of values used to represent quantity. We talk about different quantities all the time, like we say number of students attending the class. Right now I am having 36 students in my class. Then number of subjects taken per student. The number system is simply a system to represent or express the numbers. Now question is, why is the number system important? Number system help us to represent numbers in small symbols. Like computers, they do millions and billions of calculation and they just use binary numbers 0 and 1. So it reduces unnecessary calculations, unnecessary wastage of time, which result in the least amount of space, energy, consumption and cost. Number system has make our task easy and simple. How many types of number systems are there? The four most common number system types are decimal number system, base 10, binary number system, base 2, octal number system, that is base 8, and hexadecimal number system, that is base 16. Now what is decimal number system? Decimal number system has base 10 because it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. What is binary number system? The base 2 number system is also known as the binary number system, wherein only two binary digits exist, that is 0 and 1. What is octal number system? In the octal number system, the base is 8 and it uses numbers from 0 to 7 to represent the numbers. In our previous class, we learned that the base of any number system represents that how many digits are used in that system. So in octal number system, the base is 8 and it uses digits from 0 to 7. We also learned this thing that the highest digit value is 1 less than the base. If base is 8, then the highest digit that is used in octal is 7. We discussed this in our previous class. Now we move towards our today's topic, that is number conversions. In our first lecture, we learned about the number conversions and we converted binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Now today we learn other systems. Numbers can be represented in any of the number system categories like binary, decimal, hexa. Numbers को आप किसी भी सिस्टम के अंदर रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. So numbers, any number which is represented in any of the number system types can be easily converted to other. If you have written a number in binary, you can easily convert it into decimal, you can easily convert into octal, you can easily convert it into hexadecimal. Now, today we learn the base 5, conversion of base 5 to the decimal number system. Base 5 number is also called quinary system, and the digits of base 5 numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. As we learn, the largest digit value is 1 less than the base. Base is 5, so the largest digit in base 5 is 4. On the other hand, base 10 number is a number whose digits are 0, 1, 2 up to 9. And base 10 numbers is also called as decimal system. This was just a brief recap because we must recall the basic properties of both the systems of base 5 and decimal. To convert base 5 to decimal number system, we have to follow the steps. Multiply each base 5 number with 5 having the power 0 for last position starting from the right digit. The same method will be followed which we discussed in the conversion of binary system to the decimal system, only the base will be changed. Increase the power 1 by 1 with base as 5 and sum up all the products to get decimal numbers. So, let us example. What is the equivalent of 322 in base 5 in decimal number system? Now the statement of the question is very clear. It shows that you have to convert the number which is written in base 5 and you have to convert it into decimal number system. So you have to follow expansion method. This method is known as expansion method. So as we learn that if we start from the right of the number, the power of the 5 will be 0, then keep on increasing the power of the 1. You can start writing either from the right side or from the left side. I have started from the left side. 5 square into 3, then plus 5 raised to power 1 into 2 and plus 5 raised to power 0 into 2 in expansion method. As I explained that this expansion method remains same, the strategy, the logic remains same in all the conversions, in all the bases when you are converting them to decimal. Now if in previous class we converted binary to decimal, so here we use 2 and same rule will be followed. Now we are converting from base 5 to decimal, so we will write here 5. Now after expressing them in powers of 5, we will open the powers. Now 5 square means 5 is multiplying by itself 2 times. So it is 25 multiplied by 3 plus 5 raised to power 1 means 5 has to multiply with itself 1 time, 5 into 2. 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1, as we learn that a base raised to 0, any base raised to 0 exponent will be equal to 1. That's why we get here 1. Now the third step is that we have to multiply all the products and then we have to sum up. So 25 3s are 75, 5 2s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. We will add them and we get 87. This shows that 322 in base 5 is equivalent to 87 in decimal system. So in every system, in each system, the same number has different value. If in decimal system we have 87, in base 5 system it will be equivalent to 322. So the next example is, what is the equivalent of 214 in pentasystem in decimal number system? Again, the same steps will be followed using expansion method. We will write, again we are having 3 digits in the number, so the highest power of the 5 will be 2. 5 square into 2 plus 5 raised to power 1 into 1 plus 5 raised to power 0 into 4. Now we will simplify the exponents. 25 into 2 plus 5 into 1 and then 1 into 4. Now summing up all the products and we will get 59. So the number which is 59 in decimal system is equivalent to 214 in base 5 system. You have seen, student, that the same steps, the same procedure is followed, only the base is changed. Now we will discuss the conversion of octal to decimal. The same, multiply each octal number with 8. When we were converting the base 5 number, we were multiplying each base 5 number with 5. Now we are working on octal. So multiply each octal number with 8, having the power 0 for last position, starting from the right digit. Increase the power one by one with base as 8 and sum up all the products to get decimal number. Now you have seen the same steps are followed, only the base has been changed. Now examples. What is the equivalent of 3710 in octal in the decimal number system? Again, the question itself reflects that you have to convert 3710, which is written in octal system, you have to convert it into decimal number system. When you convert any number into decimal number system, you always use expansion method. So, using expansion method, now you can see that the same steps are followed, but only the differences of base. Now there are 4 digits in this number, so the highest power of the base 8 will be 3. So 8 cube into 3 plus 8 square into 7 plus 8 raised to power 1 into 1 plus 8 raised to power 0 into 0. And please don't forget to insert these parentheses. If you will not insert these brackets, then you will be a little bit confused and you may get wrong calculations. So parentheses, the brackets are very important over here. Now open the powers. 8 cube. 8 cube means 8 will be multiplying by itself 3 times. When 8 will multiply by itself 3 times, you will get 512 into 3. 8 square 64. 8 raised to power 1 means 8 and 8 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now we will multiply these terms. 512 will be multiplying with 3 and we get 1536 plus 64 into 7 is 448 and 8 ones are 8 and 1 zeros are 0. Now sum up all the products and you will get 1992. Hence the number 3710 in octal system is equivalent to 1992 in decimal system. Let's discuss example. What is the equivalent of 7642 of octal number in decimal number system? Same steps will be followed using expansion method. We will use expansion method here. Again there are 4 digits, so the highest power of the 8 is 3. Now we will open the parts, exponents and multiply the numbers, and now we will add up all the products and we will get 4002 in base 10. So dear students, these are the proper steps. This is a proper solution you have to follow when you will be doing your homework and classwork on your notebooks. You cannot skip even a single step. Each and every step you have to show, and you can take help from your slides. Now, before this we were converting octal to decimal and base 5 to decimal. Now we will discuss the conversion of numbers from decimal to other systems. Now we will discuss decimal to octal. And when we convert any number from decimal system to any other system, we use repeated division method. The method of converting decimal to octal is repeated division method. For conversion, we have to follow the rules. Divide the given decimal number with the base 8. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient by 8. And repeat step number 2 till your quotient is 0. Now, see the example. What is the base 8 equivalent of 5000? Using repeated division method, the first step is divide the given decimal number with base 8. You will divide it like this. Now 8 6 are 48. You will get 2 here. It will become 20. 8 2s are 16. You will get 4, and 4 with this 0 will become 40, and it is 8 5s are 40, and remainder is 0. Now again you will divide it by 8. 8 7s are 56. The remainder is 6. It will become 65, and 8 8s are 64, and remainder is 1. Now 8 9s are 72, and remainder is 6. 8 1s are 8, and remainder is 1. As we discussed earlier that we have to write the quotients, and whatever the term is in remainder, you have to write it like this. After division, now write the octal number by following the arrow direction. So you will start from this side. This means 1 1 6 1 0. So it will become 5000. The number 5000 in decimal system will be equivalent to 11,610 in octal system. Now we have applied the same method. As I am repeating again and again, the strategy, the method remains same, only the base will be changing. If we are converting decimal to octal, we have to divide our number by 8. If we are converting decimal to binary, we will divide by 2. If we are converting decimal to base 5, then we will be dividing it by base 5. 5 से divide करेंगे. Now let's see another example. Now decimal to base 5 conversion. Same method will be applied. What is the base 5 equivalent of 2323 in decimal system? So we will use repeated division method. Divide the given decimal number with base 5. You will divide 5 4s are 20. Then you will get here 3. It will become 32. 5 6 are 30. And then it is 23. 5 4s are 20, and your remainder is 3. 5 9s are 45, and it will become 14. 5 2s are 10. Your remainder is 4. Now quotient is 92. So we will divide. 5 1s are 5. It will become 42. 5 8s are 42, and 2 is remainder. Now 5 3s are 15, and your remainder is 3. Write the number of base 5 by following the arrow direction. So it will become 2323 equal to 3324 in base 5. So this was all about in today's lesson. The key points which we discussed today are The four most common number system types are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system, that is base 16. So, decimal number system has base 10 because it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. Base 5 number is also called quinary system, and the digits of base 5 number are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then today we discuss the conversion of base 5 to decimal system, conversion of base 8 in octal system to decimal system, and we learn that we use expansion method when we convert any system to decimal system. The method remains same, only when we convert the bases are changed. Then we discuss about the conversion of decimal system to base 5 and conversion of decimal system to base 8, that is octal system. Again, when we convert decimal system to any base, we use repeated division method. All the methods remain same, only the base is changed. We divide. If we are converting the decimal system to base 5, we divide with 5. If we convert a decimal system to base 8, then we divide our numbers with base 8. Yes, now this is your homework. Please note down your homework. Convert the following numbers into their base 10 equivalent. Students, when you will be doing your homework, you should be very careful. You have got mixed questions. Now, here the written base is written as 5. It means you have to convert penta base 5 to base 10. In the third part, it is octal. It means you have to convert from octal to decimal. And do remember, you have to use expansion method when you are converting from any number system to decimal system. You have to upload your homework at your Google Classroom. My class code is given. I hope that you have understood today's topic very well. If you have any query, feel free to ask using my WhatsApp number, or you can leave your comments on Google Classroom. So this was all about the conversion of systems. Now in next class we will discuss the arithmetical operations, the binary arithmetic. We will learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in different systems. Example, what is the equivalent of 7642 of